Is first impression important? Hi and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be discussing about first impressions and whether it's really important. So whether you like it or not, people always judge you at first time they see you. Of course, a real relationship is built when they know you long enough, when they know how you are. But you cannot deny the importance of first impression because it is the first gateway to enter into people's mind, to people's heart. So it happened to me when I was giving speeches in Toastmasters, where people don't know me, and imagine you giving a speech to unknown people and you want to make them like you, to remember you. So what can you do? Mm, One of them is to assert confidence. So what happened in one of the contests that I went, speaking contest, is I received feedback. Although my content is good within the 7 minutes, but the first impression, when people see me on stage, they see that I'm because I'm not to say short, I'm taller than average Asians. I'm 183 cm, or in feet is 6 feet, 6 footer. So I tend to hunch a bit in this country, and because of me hunching, when I went out the stage, people feel that I'm not confident with what I'm presenting. So one of the first tip is, of course, to stand straight, to show your confidence, open up your chest. And some people like dress very extravagantly to show that they are very confident and very out there. uh, it does show a bit of confidence, but it's also a bit exaggerated. But still, it does give a very, not say good impression, but a lasting impression, that people will remember you more. And as I mentioned earlier, if you make a good first impression, you make a good first opening. The door is open for you first to go in. For people that have pretty poor impression, first impression, you need to peel layer by layer before you can actually get into the other person. And just like you viewing my channel right now, you will always judge me by my first, how I look, or maybe the video quality, which of course I will look to improve further in the future. And there's a preconception there, and unless you watch all my videos and then you know that what kind of value that I bring, what kind of issues that I talk about, then maybe you will like me. But doing my first impression, when you watch a video or you watch a person speak, how can you attract as someone? And as I mentioned, the first way is of course to be confident. um, Wearing bright colors very extravagantly could be very good attention grabbing. But if you want to have a good lasting impression, just wear smartly. I think there's a lot of guide out there to teach you how to properly wear, especially for men. Men dress may look simple, but even the blazer, the jacket have like single breast, double breast, and there's a way, the length, and stuff like that. So our style is mostly how we fit the clothes to our body. This is another topic altogether, which I'm not familiar with, but I'm aware of it. So it's something that I'll look into future, so that I will have a better stage presence, and people will remember me better. So again, back to the question: is first impression important? Yes and no. Because yes, because the first door, the first layer is open immediately when I put impression on you. No, because even if you have good first impression, if you are, mm, how to say, not so good internally, people will find out sooner or later. And it's the best if you can have both. So yeah, this is a bit of sharing for me today. Hopefully it is helpful to you, and talk to you next time. Bye bye.